about percent change and percent error. We have the percent change, which is percent increase, and a percent decrease, which is the same way, and the percent error. Okay. For the percent increase and decrease, we put the amount that it increased, and we put the original amount. The percent error, we put the difference between the estimated and the actual, and we put that over the actual value. So we're going to do these 4 examples. In her last basketball game, Chloe scored 8 points. Today she had a personal best of 15 points. What is the percent change? So since she went from 8 to 15, this is going to be an increase. So we need to put the amount of increase, which is 15 minus 8, over the original amount, which is 8. Then we subtract. 15 minus 8 is 7, and the denominator is 8, and then we make that into a decimal. So we need to do 7 divided by 8, which is 0.875, and we move our decimal 2 places to the right, and that gives me 87.5% increase. Aaron's and Ginger's cat likes to eat. The veterinarian was concerned about Ginger's weight and put the cat on a strict diet. Over a 6-month period, Ginger cat's weight decreased from 22 pounds to 16.5 pounds. Calculate the percent of change. So we have 22 minus 16.5 over the original amount, and the original amount was 22. So 22 minus 16.5 is 5.5 over 22. Again, we divide. 5.5 divided by 22 is 0.25. And we change our decimal to a percent by moving it 2 times to the right, and that gives me 25% decrease. You recently started wearing a device to track how many steps you take in a day. You estimated that you would take 7,500 steps in a day, and you actually took 12,500 steps. We need to calculate the percent of error. So we need to subtract the estimated from the actual. 12,500. The estimated from the actual over the actual. So 7,500 minus 12,500 is negative 5,000 over 12,500. Now we divide. That gives us 0.4. To make that a decimal, we move it 2 times, and that's negative 40% error. Liam's last grocery bill was $105. This week his bill was $85. We're doing the percent change. So this is going to be a percent decrease. So we have 105 minus 85 over 85. 105 minus 85 is 20 over 85, and we divide 20 divided by 85. That's going to give us 0.23. We're rounding to the hundredths, 0.23. And when we round that to a decimal, we go 2 places to the right, and that gives me 23% decrease. So now that you've gone over this with me, I want you to do the practice that is on the opposite side of your worksheet.